Hi friends! So I have another letter B sheet that I want to do with you. So I'm going to use my black marker this time because that starts with the letter B. And I'm going to share my paper with you. You have one like this at your house. So we're going to find the ones that are the same. The same. So let me make sure you can see right up here. It's kind of hard to see. But if I do long line down, bump around, it's the letter B. Now over here, I'd have to slide down, go across. That's an A. Yeah, that's not the B. So long line down, bump around. There's my B again. Then over here, I have a C, like Katina cat. So, which one is the B? There's a B. That's not a B. There's a B. So I can either circle it or I can put an X on it. And I know some of you guys are working on circling and some of you are working on Xing. So I will circle this one and the next one I'll put an X on. All right, now let's look at our next row. Look what I have here. It's a boot. So I need to come over to this side. All these things start with B, but I'm looking for the boot. Is that the boot? Yes, it is. So I'm going to put an X on it. Now for some of my friends, I've said it's easier to make an X if you have a square. So I've just squared it off. And now I can slide my line from corner to corner. And if I need to, I can give myself little dots and go from dot to dot, corner to corner. So boot, boot. That's not a boot, that's a bat. That's not a boot, that's a bus. All right, now here I have an uppercase B. So I need to come over here and find the one that's the uppercase B. Is that the uppercase B? It sure is. That made it easy from the get-go. Let's see, I'm going to circle it because I'm making a pattern. Circle, X, circle, and then the last one I'll do is an X. So I've got another uppercase B. Is that an uppercase B? No, that's a lowercase b. What about that one? No, that's a lowercase b also. What about that one? Yeah, that's an uppercase B. Now, if I want to make it easier, I can draw a box around it to make my X, and then I can do corner to corner and corner to corner. All right, nice job, friends. And when you're finished, you can color it if you would like. All right, I hope you are having a great day. See you soon. Bye-bye.